how to check or see Valorant store on iPhone. So let's jump into the video. First things first, you have to install one application. In order to do so, you need to head over to your app store and then search for Valorant Tracker. After that, just scroll down a bit and you'll find the application, which is right here. You need to just simply go and install this application. After installing the application, you can open it. You land into the homepage of your Valorant Tracker. In order to see the Valorant store, first of all, you need to sign into your account. So just simply go with your sign in, which will be on the top, and then click on the continue, enter your username and your password, and make sure that you've logged into your account. After that, you will find the option of store, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And once you head over to your store, there you will have all of the necessary steps for the game, which will be available. In order to see more, you just need simply have to scroll down. After that, you'll be good to go. You'll have all of the information. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.